Alright, hi everyone. Okay, now I'm going to go through review 3. Alright, the answers for review 3. Right, so get ready with your papers. Okay, section A. Each question has 4 options. Choose the correct option 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, and write the answer in the bracket. Okay, question 1. Which of the following is another way to name angle Q? Alright, so this is angle Q. Right, we have done this. Okay, so if this is the angle that they want, that means you have to look at the angle that is in the center. All right, this angle. So you have your alphabet there. We have the 3 alphabet. You can either start with A, B, C, or C, B, A. But we have to look at the answer option. Okay, so in this case, we have angle BAD. Alright, D is out. Okay, this is not the correct answer. Anything with a D is not possible because we only want letters that is A, B, or C. Right, CBA, yes. Okay, this is another D, so this is wrong. So the answer is number 3. Okay, right, next, question 2. Which angle is smaller than 90 degrees? Smaller than 90. Okay, so 90 degrees is straight, right, the angle, so you must have a straight line like that to mark your 90 degrees. So vertex means a straight line, so definitely this is smaller. Okay, so number 1. Option 2 is definitely bigger than 90, right? Even this is, if we put that like that, even this is bigger than 90 degrees. Alright, so the answer is number 1. Okay, right. Question 3. Right, in the figure, EFGH is a square. Alright, find angle A. Okay, so EFGH is a square. Now this whole angle, as we know the property of a square or rectangle, okay, all the corners is 90 degrees, so that's 90 degrees. So 90 minus 52 degrees gives you your angle A. So your answer is 38 degrees. So number 1. Okay, all right, next. Okay, question number 4 is a symmetry question, so we will skip that. Question 5. Which of the following statement is true? A square has 4 right angles. Yes. A rectangle is also a square. No, because a square, all the sides must be equal. A rectangle has 2 length and 2 breadth, so that's wrong. A square has only 2 equal sides. No, all the 4 sides are equal. A rectangle has only 1 pair of parallel lines. No, it must be 2 pair of parallel lines, right? So that's wrong. So your answer is number 1. Okay, section B. So far so good. Okay, now question 6. John is standing at point A. So that's point A, facing east. So this part here, facing east. Okay. He makes a turn and faces north. So from the east, he makes, and face south. So he makes a turn and face south. Question part A. If John turns in clockwise direction, how many right angles does he turn? So keyword is right angle and clockwise direction. So from the east, he make a turn clockwise direction facing south. So how many right angle? The answer is only 1 right angle. Okay, all right. Part B, an anti-clockwise direction anti-clockwise, what fraction of a complete turn does he make? So they want the answer in fraction. Okay, remember that. So you have to give the answer in fraction. So if it's anti-clockwise direction, it will be 1 from the east, right? So it's from the east. Anti-clockwise direction will be 1. That's 1/4. 2, 2/4, and 3, 3/4. So your answer is 3/4. Okay, right. Draw a square of side 6 centimeter. So they want it a square of side 6 centimeter. Alright, so use your ruler. Put your marking from 0 to 6. So that's your point, and join it. Okay, so that's 1 point. From this point now to 6. Okay, so that's another point. Okay, from this point to your 0, so that's another point. Okay, and from 0 to 0.6. Okay. Okay, so this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this, and it's your right angle, 6 centimeter. So that's a square. Okay. Right, now let's move on to the next page, page 126. Okay. Tajuddin is standing at point A. Look at the diagram and answer the questions. Okay, part A. Tajuddin is facing the water slide. So that's the water slide. Okay, which direction is he facing? So we have the north, south. So naughty elephant spray water. So here will be naughty elephant. So here will be your southeast. So here is your southwest, and this will be your northwest. Okay, so if the water slide is on this side, is your southwest. So you just write as southwest. Okay, or you can just write it as SW. Okay. Tajuddin is facing the water slide again. He turns through an angle of 135 anti-clockwise. Which direction will he be facing? So water slide, anti-clockwise direction. Alright, so here will be 135. So that will be 1, that's 90. So 90 plus your 45 here. So that will be 135. So he will be facing this part here, Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel is the east. Okay, right, next. Tajuddin is facing a different direction now. If he turns 45 degrees clockwise direction, 45 degrees clockwise direction, he will face north. Which direction is he facing now? So if he turns 45 clockwise direction, so he will be facing north. So north is on this side, So if he turns 45 clockwise, right? So if he turns clockwise, he will face north. Which direction is he facing now? So that means you have to work backwards, okay? Because currently he is not facing north. So if you want him to face north here, all right? So currently he will be facing here, northwest. All right, so currently he will be facing northwest direction. So because it's clockwise direction, so this side here. So from here to north. So your answer will be, which direction is he facing now? He will be facing northwest direction. NW. Okay, next. ABCD is a square. Find length BC. Alright, because it's a square, so all the sides are equal. So line BC is also a 6 cm. Okay, next, part B. PQRS is a rectangle. SR is 3 times as long as PS. Now if PS is 6, given there, all right, SR is 3 times as long as PS. So SR is equals to 6 times 3, 18. So your answer is 18 centimeter. Okay. All right, question 10. Okay, in the figure, PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, find angle URQ. URQ, so it's this one. URQ. So this is the angle you're looking at. This angle, question mark. Okay, so as you know that for rectangle as well, all the corners is 90 degrees. So your angle URQ is equals to 90, take away 57. All right. So you will get 33 degrees. 33 take away 14. So your answer will be 19. So angle URQ is equals to 19 degrees. Okay, now 11 is a symmetry question, so we are not going to do that. 12 is also a symmetry question, so we skip that. All right, question 13. Draw an angle of 165 degrees using this given line. Okay, so I will pick this as my, okay, I will draw my 90 degrees line. Okay, all right, I will mark that as my baseline. This is my baseline and my 90 degrees. So I will put this line meets my center marking and my baseline. Okay, so 165. Remember, I must start from the 0 marking. Okay, so it must be from the 0 marking. So if the 0 marking is here, so it's 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 165. So it's here. Okay, then I will join the line. Now it must really meet the line here. So that's my line. I mark the angle 165 degrees. So that's my 165 degrees. Okay. All right, everybody. Number 14, figure L, M, and P is a rectangle. Okay, so find angle LMQ. So this is the angle. All right. So it's 90 degrees point. So 90 minus 36 gives you 54. So this angle here is 54. Okay. Now angle NLP, angle NLP is this angle. This angle. NLP, this part here. Okay. So angle NLP is equals to 90 minus 15 degrees. So your answer is 75 degrees. Okay, right, last question. A rectangular piece of paper is folded as shown. Right, so here, find angle E, D, and F. E, D, and F. So this angle. Okay. Now, remember this is 90 degrees. Okay, so your angle E, D, F is equals to 90 minus 52 will give you 38 degrees. Now remember, this angle and this angle makes up the 90 degrees. So this plus this plus this is actually 90 degrees. So now what you did was you took away 52. So you got this whole angle, right? This whole angle. Now they don't want this whole angle, they only want this angle, but they are equal. So what do? 38 divided by 2. So your answer is 19 degrees. So your angle EDF here is 19 degrees. Remember, it's not 38 because 38, that means it shares the whole angle, right? So here, these two angles are equal. So you just divide it by 2. Okay? All right. So I hope you are able to do most of the question. All right. So just check through. All right. You can play the video again. All right. To just look through the answers. Okay. And the working. All right. Bye-bye.